Hi, I hope you're doing great. Today I'll show you a demo of a real estate data scraper bot I built. It automatically extracts property listings from a website and uploads them to Google Sheets. This is a website called Site Agent, where people list properties for sale. Each listing contains valuable information such as seller name agent, name, city, state, zip code, price listing start and end dates, and much more. This bot goes through each listing on the website and scrapes all those details. You can see here, it's currently collecting data like status, street, city, zip code, price. All the information is shown live as it's scraped. What this bot does is simple. It goes through each listing one by one, collects all the useful details, and then compiles that data automatically. Once all the data is scraped, the bot automatically uploads everything to a Google Sheet. You don't need to copy anything manually. It's fully automated. I can customize the scraper according to your needs. For example, scraping all listings, uploading to Excel instead, or adding extra filters. Now you can see all the information is neatly added into Google Sheets. Details include listing title, seller name, dates, property address, pricing, market status, and more. Everything is organized and ready for analysis or reporting. Whether you need a daily updated Google Sheet, a downloadable Excel file, or even API integration for your dashboard, I can design the bot to fit your workflow. You get clean, structured property data ready to use. Whether you're a real estate agency, data analyst, or a property investor, this kind of automation can save hours of work and give you better insights. If you're interested in building a similar bot or want help with data analysis and visualization, feel free to contact me. Let's make your data work smarter for you. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.